Best out of waste. Today I'll show you how I have painted Pattachitra on glass bottle. We throw this type of bottle after use, but we can reuse it. Clean the bottle and let it dry. Give one coat of gesso or wall primer on the bottle surface and let it completely dry. Then again give 1 or 2 coats for thick surface. Make sure the gesso or wall primer layer is completely dry. Apply 1 coat of acrylic white color. I have already prepared 2 glass bottles for my art. Now draw the outline of your desired pattern. I have speed up the clips, otherwise it will be long and hectic for watch. Trace the same lines to another piece of bottle. Here I am making Krishna with flute art for my center area. Now color the strips as per your design. In this art form, vibrant colors are used and all the colors are made naturally. As you can see, I have colored the bottle with different colors. Pattachitra is basically based on Hindu Lord Jagannath and Vaishnava. This is the traditional cloth based painting. Patta means cloth or canvas, Chitra means art or picture. The real canvas of Pattachitra is made from pure cotton cloth. First they give a coat of tamarind seeds gum and white stone, that is khadi pathara powder, on the cotton cloth and then scrub the stone to make the surface plain. Natural colors are made from vegetables and minerals. Like white is made from conch shell, red from hingula mineral, yellow from haritala stone, indigo from ramaraja, and black from lamp black or burning coconut shell. But I am using synthetic acrylic colors because I don't have natural colors here. We can see this art form in the eastern India states of Odisha and West Bengal. In the states of Odisha, the places are Raghurajpur, Puri, Dandasahi, Paralakhemundi, Chikiti, Dharakot and Sonpur. The best work is found in and around Puri, especially in the village of Raghurajpur. The background on which the figures are represented is flowers and leaves and the mostly painted in the red color. Previously, the mediums are limited, that is cloth, wall or palm leaf. The painting on cloth is Pattachitra, painting on wall is Bhitti-chitra and painting on palm leaf is Pothi-chitra or Talapatra Chitra. Now mediums have changed and modernized. Artists are making these paintings on paper, coconut, betel nuts, bottles, wooden boxes and clay pieces and all. Now come to bottle art or bottle painting. We can do also mural arts, worldly arts, modern arts. So if you are a beginner, then follow the steps. If you are a visitor, then enjoy the painting. The back portion of the bottle, that is the black part, I have not covered because I wanted this portion to make like a blackboard. And the white write-up of Om Gurave Namaha in Hindi, because I have gifted these 2 bottles to my teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. But in the last I have given the images of 2 bottles with front and back view, so you can see. If you like my painting, then please show your love by liking my video. If any query or suggestions you want to give, please comment it below. If you really want to see me with another art form, then please subscribe me. and enjoy the whole video. Thank you.